In January 1947, a horrifying discovery shocked the city of Los Angeles. A woman's body was found in a vacant lot, severely mutilated, cut in half with surgical precision. Her name was Elizabeth Short, but the world would soon know her by another name, the Black Dahlia. The case exploded across newspapers nationwide. The brutal murder became one of America's most infamous unsolved mysteries. Investigators searched for answers, witnesses were questioned, suspects were investigated, but no evidence led to a killer. Soon, strange letters began arriving at newspapers' offices and police stations. Some claimed responsibility for the murder, others appeared to mock investigators. Rumors spread across Hollywood. Some believed powerful figures were involved, others believed the killer was never questioned at all. Over the decades, detectives reopened the case multiple times. Fingerprints, handwriting analysis, witness statements, every lead ended the same way. No arrest, no confirmed suspects, no justice for Elizabeth Short. More than 75 years later, the Black Dahlia murder remains unsolved. A young woman lost her life, and somewhere, the truth may have disappeared with her killer. If you want more chilling videos like this, make sure to subscribe and follow the channel.